Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jereel on your screen from Discovering Jereel channel. If you're new to this channel, you are most definitely welcome. Thank you for coming back to watch another video from me. If it's your first time, please make sure to subscribe to the channel below and turn on the post notification bell right beside the subscribe icon so that you get notification whenever I upload new content. Also make sure to give this video a thumbs up, also comment below and share my videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, you are most definitely welcome. Thank you for coming back to watch me as always. I'm so grateful. I love you guys. Please make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and comment below, and do not forget to share this video. And without much ado, let's dive right into this video. We're doing an unboxing. I got some good stuffs from an Instagram store. It's also a walk-in store. I had to order through Instagram and it came to me, and these are filming equipment. I thought I needed an upgrade since the last upgrade I did on this channel was 2 years ago when I got my tripod and the ring light. So I thought I'd do another upgrade this time around because YouTube has now become a career and a job. So I need to upgrade my filming equipment so that I can give you guys more quality and keep my audience spellbound. So I got a couple of things, just very few things, and they are not pricey at all. They were okay, very affordable, and also very durable, guys. These things are so good. I least expected this, but it turned out very good, and I'm sure going to stay in connection with this particular vendor I got this filming equipment off, because I think his products are very good and very affordable at the same time, unlike online where you're going to see it for a very crazy amount. So all those things are very affordable as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and unbox all the items I got from this Instagram vendor. If I remember to leave the price, fine. If I don't, everything will be in the description box below. And with that said, let's dive right into this video. First thing I'll be unboxing, which I'm already using right now, is the microphone. This is the omnidirectional lavalier microphone, and this is the microphone I got from the Instagram vendor, and I will leave his name on the screen. I'm trying to find out the name. Okay, this Instagram vendor is Austin7070, so you can check him out on Instagram and purchase all your filming equipment. This video is not sponsored. I just thought it wise to mention where I got this from because you guys will ask, and also I am very happy and satisfied with his service, so I thought I shout him out on here. So this is the omnidirectional microphone, lavalier microphone, and this has 120 hours of battery life. It also have a 6mm cable. That means this microphone is very long. The cable is very long, guys. It's extremely long, and I've already unboxed this microphone, but behind the scene I will show you guys how this looks. So this is a microphone plugged on and hung on my shirt, clipped on my top, and this is the cables. These cables are very super long. They are super long, so you can stand at any point and still film. See a lot of cables. See, I'm very close to the camera, but this is how long this cable is. This is how long it is, and that is the microphone clipped on my shirt, and I'm using to film for you guys. So you guys are going to see the whole thing, everything broken down behind the scene. So this is the first item I got from there, and this is very affordable as well. It cost me 10,000 naira. I'm going to leave a price on the screen. It cost me 10,000 naira to purchase this, and it is very good and durable. You see, my sound has just upgraded. Like, it doesn't look too noisy again. I'm able to control the noise and the sound around me, and this is very good. This is something you should invest your money in. The next item I got was my tripod stand. I got this tripod stand. It doesn't look anything like this old one. I thought I needed to upgrade because this old one happens to be very unsteady and shaky and all that. I literally have to support it with something, but I had to upgrade to buy this one, which has a firmer head for holding up your phone. And this is the U52 5280 mobile phone tripod camera tripod. the Bluetooth shooter for iPhone, iOS, and Android 4.3 or newer mobile phones. Not for camera. This one is not for camera. It's just for your mobile phone, your iPhone, and anything. So here is the product inside, and it comes with a bag, a tripod bag, very long, and you can use this to carry your tripod around. And this bag contains the tripod itself. So behind the scene, I'll be doing the whole unboxing, but I just thought I'd show you guys. So when you unbox it, this is what you are going to see. This rubber that secures the tripod stand. And bringing out the tripod stand, yes, here you see the tripod, very big, very beautiful. This is the tripod itself, and this is that holder I was telling you about, and it has 3 legs. And this thing can, when you open it, it can go very, very long. It becomes very, very long. So this literally minimizes the size of the tripod so that it can fit into anything. And again, this tripod has a remote control right here, so you can turn on the remote control and connect with the Bluetooth of your phone, and you see automatically you can stand at any distance and take your pictures or start recording a video. So this is what this tripod comes with, and the remote is just here for easy packaging. This thing has a very firm adjusting head, a very firm shooter head, and this can rotate to any side you want it. You can either place it horizontally or vertically, and most times, for the most part, we use a landscape method, a landscape filming method while filming for YouTube content. But for Instagram and other content, you can use the vertical method. So here is the camera holder, the phone holder you use, and you attach this to this part. You attach it to this part, and you fix your phone onto it. I'm trying to do this here for you guys. Yes, so this is it. Once you fix it, yeah, you kind of open up this thing. Opening up this thing really makes, you see, this thing comes up, and when this comes up, you can fix your phone, whatever size of phone, whatever make of phone you have. So I'm just going to go ahead and fix this phone here. This is my other phone, and this thing keeps going up. You see? So now it's all up and my phone is fixed. So you can start locking it back, and then it keeps your phone secured. Your phone is not going to fall. Nothing is going to happen to your phone. And you can keep your phone secured on it. It secures your phone, and it is also very steady. The weight of the phone do not kind of make the tripod bend to any side. The tripod is very, very steady. Yeah, so this is what this tripod looks like. It is very, very long. I wish I could show you guys this. Of course, you will see it in the other section. You can imagine the first length, and you can imagine the second length. It's a very big tripod, and it was worth the money. It was worth every coin that I spent on purchasing it. It was worth every dime that went into the purchase. That was surely worth the coin was this professional photo and video LED light kit, the Varicolor Pro LED 600 bulbs. And this is the LED light kit I purchased from the Instagram vendor. When you open, I already leave the curtains are all torn. I already did an unboxing to be sure of what I ordered for, so it doesn't turn out to be what I ordered for versus what I got. So but here is an official online unboxing. So when you open this curtain, you're going to see this whole kit that contains all the equipment that you have purchased for, the equipment that you need. And here is an adapter charger for the LED light. This is the charger first that you have here, and this is also the phone, the LED light holder. It comes in this. I'm going to do a proper unboxing and show you guys. It comes in this. This is for the LED holder, and this is also a cord extension that you connect to the charger. And he also gave me this adapter for connection, for easy connection, because this is what the mouth of the charger looks like. So with this, it's always easy to plug in and connect to a circuit. The next thing here is the LED 600 bulbs. So this is what it looks like. This is what this looks like. And here is it has a filter in it. The filter is inbuilt. Here is the power button, on and off. And here is the filter button to filter either yellow light or the white light. This will increase the color of the light, and this will filter the color of the light. This is for increment, and it has a battery spot here, but I didn't get the batteries because the cost was going high. I didn't get the batteries, but I'm sure I'm going to go back and get the batteries for times when I don't have power and I can use the batteries to film my video. And here is the cord. Here is the point at which you plug in your charger. Here is the spot at which you plug in your charger, and this comes on. It comes on for you. So coming to the front, here is the opening of the light. Here is the light. Here is the light. Can you see? 600 bulbs, and this light is an eye blinder. This light is very, very bright. Believe me when I tell you that this item worth every coin that I spent to purchase. It definitely worth it. So yeah, I will show you guys what it really looks like when I have power supply. I'll show you guys what it really looks like. So I'm very happy I got this item. And the last item I'll be showing you guys, the last item which supplements this, it complements. Without this, you can't have that item. So that item complements it, is also the stand. Like, where am I going to place the LED bulb without a stand? So I got this stand from him as well. So here is the stand. It's a very long stand. It's just a tripod stand. No much talk about it. It's just a tripod stand. Yes, and it holds up the LED light. It holds up the LED light. Very sturdy, very firm. And guys, I was gassed when I tried this out and I saw that everything was perfect. Guys, I was literally gassed. This man really surprised me. Everything turned out very, very good and perfect. Yes, everything was just so good, so on point. Everything was durable. Like, guys, I was gassed when I opened all this and found out that what I ordered was what I got. So always feel free to check him out, Austin7070. I'll leave his handle on the screen. His things are very good and very affordable. Gotten to the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. I thought I'll show you guys all the things I've purchased for an upgrade. We need to upgrade, okay? We need to upgrade. My other ones are still very sound. They're working for me. They're giving me everything I want. But I thought that it's time to upgrade and also get new stuff so that we know what we are planning and we are channeling our next money into. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Make sure to subscribe below if you haven't subscribed. Share, comment below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.